Hello, welcome. This is a review and unboxing for Bose Soundlink Max, and this is the Bose Soundlink Max. No, this is Soundcore Anchor. This is a speaker I'm currently using. I'm upgrading to the Bose. So let's some C cables. This is a re box. So unbox. Sorry. Oops. So we unboxed the speaker and we're gonna play it and compare it with Soundcore here. Let's see if it's really worth the $400. So who won this speaker fight? It's definitely Bose Soundlink Max. It has more bass, it's more clear, it can really keep the party going. On the other hand, Soundcore sounds a little bland and it screams without the bass it has. And this just cost $80 and it cost 400. So we can really hear the difference when it's a big room and when we want to have a party going on in that room.